Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project. Open Unity with a 3D scene and confirm Unity 2019. 4+ or LTS. Install Cinemachine from Package Manager and import it. Once done, add a Cinemachine virtual camera to the hierarchy. Make sure the main camera still exists and is tagged main camera so Cinemachine can control it. You'll assign the V-cam as the brain target. This first step connects the package to your scene and gets you ready to adjust framing and follow behavior. Now configure each virtual camera for the shot you want. Assign follow and look at. For multiple actors, use a Cinemachine target group to blend distances. Tweak body settings like transposer for offset and damping so motion feels smooth, and set aim, composer, for framing rules and soft zones. Add noise for camera shake, enable the collider extension to avoid clipping through geometry, and use extensions to add procedural behavior. These middle steps are where cinematography choices translate into motion and polish. Finish by blending cameras and triggering shots at runtime. Configure the Cinemachine brain on the main camera for blend curves and default cut behavior. Use virtual camera priorities and the timeline with Cinemachine tracks to sequence complex cuts and animated moves. You can also trigger V-cams by script for gameplay events. If things go wrong, check V-cam priorities and the brain preview, often a mistagged main camera, wrong target assignment, or conflicting priorities causes silence. Adjust priorities, retest, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.